Hello everyone, today I will show you some awesome functions to clean your data in seconds. These are very useful functions which will help you to clean your data just in a few seconds. So let's start it. First of all, sometimes whenever you import the data from older version from a website, so it contains unwanted characters like this one. Okay, the first one are those characters which are non-printable, those characters. So to remove these characters from your data, so for that we will use clean function equal to clean function. Open that, select the first text, close parenthesis, press enter. Look at that, double press sign. So those character has removed from your text. Okay, this issue has solved. Now the second issue is sometimes, okay, like here, this is in capital and three character capital, the last one small, and also this is capital and this is lowercase, some character capital, some lowercase. To solve this issue, for that we will wrap our clean function through a proper function. Okay, just come here to the formula bar, write proper, wrap your clean function inside the proper, press enter. Sorry, I think I applied that on John. I should apply that on this one. Okay, proper, close that, press enter. So that has applied on the first one. Let's double click this. So that has applied. Now what the proper function will do, it will just capitalize the first character of every word. Okay, it will capitalize just the first character of every word. Now let's move. Now our text has contained some unused extra spaces. Okay, the extra spaces, like here, check it, here we have the extra spaces. Okay, here at the start, here the middle. So these, to remove these extra spaces, for that we will wrap our function through trim function. Okay, just wrap our all function through trim function. Trim, close at the last parenthesis, apply that. Now let's double click it. See, the unused spaces has been removed from our data and our data is clean right now. So it was a few awesome functions that I showed you how to clean your data. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.